Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling some burnt out light bulbs and turning them into beautiful decorative pears. Now, if you follow me, you know that I save practically everything: old envelopes, glass jars, wine bottles, I have a lot of those, plastic lids, plastic bottles, you name it. I try to use all of this stuff in my craft projects and share with people how to upcycle things that we might normally throw away. Well, today we're making these beautiful pears using my Xyron Creative Station and some decorative papers, and I think you're gonna like making this project. It's really easy and a great way to use burnt out light bulbs. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some decorative pears. In 1850, an English physicist named Joseph Wilson Swan created a light bulb by enclosing carbonized paper filaments in an evacuated glass bulb. The pear was dedicated by ancient Greeks to the goddess Hera, who represented wives and fidelity in marriage. Because of the feminine shape of the fruit and the sweetness, they have also been associated with early fertility cults. Decoupage originated in France in the 17th century as a means of decorating bookcases, cabinets, and other pieces of furniture. It was influenced by paper cutting of the ancient Chinese and the felt appliques found among the Siberian peoples, also the Polish folk art of paper cutting. I'm going to leave a link to Xyron and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me at Mark Montano on Instagram. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I'll see you soon. Bye.